Okay, y'all, so this is the video for the review. Look how beautiful my table looks. I love it. Yes, it is a little short, like it's really low, but I love it because as you can see, my kitchen is not that big and I don't have a lot of space, but this table is amazing. And the little station that I got, the coffee station, this item is so beautiful. So I got this from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. It's super cute.
You get everything from Amazon.
I know.
She got me from Amazon.
I was. We like to eat toast with this little thing. So everything came out super cute and nice. And I got my little thing for the onions from Amazon as well. And all of this, I'm in love with the table. Super, super cute. And my little container for the rice. Yep. Everything came out super, super cute. I love it.
All right, we got this and I'm so happy. It's sturdy, it's beautiful. All the pieces are just perfect. This is our little spicy bar. And here we can put our things. So I really highly recommend it. I wasn't so sure about it, but we are very, very pleased. Thank you. Don't hesitate, guys. It's a great product. The price is awesome. It took me 2 hours.
Here's my microwave cabinet holding my plates, cups, microwave, air fryer, and other odds and ends. We absolutely love